In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Pandas in your VS Code. So in order to install the Pandas library, simply head on to the terminal and type in the following command, which is pip install pandas. That means we will be using the pip module to install pandas. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button and wait for the process to start. And here you can see that the pip is collecting the pandas package, and once that has been done, it will initialize the installation phase. Once the installation phase is completed, the pandas will be installed into your system. And here you can see that after the successful initialization and installation, you can see this message which says successfully installed Pandas version 2.2.3. So here we have successfully installed the Pandas library in our VS Code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.